Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial we will be learning about how you can create a mockup for your own brand in Photoshop. Whether you might want to apply the logo on the book, or maybe a mug, or maybe anything else. First you need an image to apply the logo on. For example, I'll be using this image, and also I have this image right here and this book right here. First let me just add my logo for all of these. So let's use this logo. Just grab it right here, and I'll take this part. I'll press Ctrl J to extract this part. Now I'm going to copy this by holding the Ctrl C and paste it in every one of that. Let's add a logo for this book first. I'm going to remove the already applied logo from right here. To do that, you need to have a marquee tool. Select all of these, hold the shift and backspace to open up the content aware tool, and then click on OK. Sorry, I chose the wrong image. First I'm going to take a copy of this. Now let's do the same. Shift and backspace, and then select the content aware and click on OK. Ctrl D to unselect this. Now I'm going to resize it to a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to place it right here. I'll just hold my Control key and then click on this layer icon. Now I'm going to copy this by holding the Control and C. I'll hide this layer. Again Control D to deselect this. Now I'll create a new layer. Here on the top, click on Filter, select Vanishing Point. Now let's make a selection to this part to add our logo. Once you are done with it, now you need to paste your selection that you just copied before right here. Now I'm going to drag this and place it right here. Hold the Control and T to transform this. Hold the Shift key to make sure it is in the symmetry. Now place it in the middle, just like that. Once you are done with it, just click on OK. Now your logo is ready. Now the next step is to select the blending options. Use whatever see fits. In this case, the color burn is looking good. Also the multiply is good as well. But let's use the color burn for this one. Once you see, if I hide this layer, the logo will be right here. You can also change its position by holding the Ctrl T and place it to anywhere you like. This is the optimal position for this logo, so I'll just paste it right here. Now let's move on to the second one. Let's use this one. Again, I'm going to speed up the process. I'll take a copy of this, create a new layer, place in between, Control and click on the layer icon to select this, Control C to copy it. I'm going to hide it, Control D to deselect this. Now select this layer, go to the filter, click on Vanishing Point, make a selection, and once you're done with the selection, Control V to paste your logo.